In this lesson, we're going to learn how we could download Adobe Lightroom. Now, you can do it in two ways. You can download the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop version onto your machine, or you can do it in here on the web. So to do that, you can just type in creativecloud.adobe.com on your address bar, and then from there it will route you to this website. If you have an account, you can just go to the upper right corner and click on Sign In. And once you do that, it will route you to the sign in page, and you can just enter your email address and continue. If you don't have an account, you can click on create an account. But it will be better if you do it on adobe.com. So you can just go to your address bar again and just type in adobe.com. At that point, it will route you to your adobe.com designated country. So in here, you can click on sign in, and once again it will route you to the sign in page, but then this time it will give you an option to sign in with your Gmail account, Facebook account, or with your Apple account. So at that point you can just use that instead of creating a new account. Now once you sign in, it will route you to this dashboard or the Adobe Creative Cloud page. So this is what you'll see when you first sign in. At this point, you can see all of the suggested apps. You have some recents. You can also check on some other templates if you want to use that. But then in here, we'll go to the apps tab here. So you just click that. And then in here, you can see all of the apps that Adobe has to offer. Now in here, you can download the Creative Cloud desktop version, or you can just download the Lightroom directly from this website. So you can see that we have Lightroom Classic, and up here we have all of the application that's currently installed already. So I have Photoshop, Illustrator, I even have the Lightroom already installed on my machine. Now if you want to install something, just click on the install button. So in this case, I can just click that and it will download it on my machine. You can also click on learn more button, and at that point it will route you to the Lightroom Classic overview, and it will also show you if it will be compatible on your device here. So let me just go back here, and we can also use the desktop version. So let me just show that to you. So this is the desktop version. It is pretty much the same as our website version here. So in here you can see also the installed applications, and down here you can also see the available apps for you to download. So at that point, when you have clicked on install, you will now have the application on your machine, and then you can just double click on it to launch it. So that's how you can easily download Lightroom.